Hello and welcome. It's time for episode 2 of my bleaching mini-series. And this one is a huge hack. Yes, look at those roots. It's a huge hack or a top tip to deal with roots like this and get clean, even, band-free lift like this. Now, if you're ready, here it is, something that changed the way I bleached hair forever. It really did. And that is foil. Yes, using foil in between my superfine sections of my application to utilize body heat. Yes, I'm using body heat and the incubation of the foil to get the lightener to give me maximum lift. It's a great way to ensure consistent, even lift with no banding. Now, that's not all. It might surprise you to know that I never go above 20 volume when I'm doing a global application. I just don't need to when I'm using this technique. It really does give you fantastic lift. Once the amount of lift that you require is achieved, you pull the foils, which slows down the process by exposing the product to air. Now, it goes without saying, when you're global lightening with any product, after about 45 minutes, you want to check every 5 minutes. And I would generally rinse the back 2 quadrants, which are the ones that I applied first, once the foils are pulled and they are ready to come off. Generally, it's a double incubation situation. Once the lightener's on and the foils are in, I cover everything with plastic wrap just to further trap that body heat and get max lift. Oh, it's hello for me and the gorgeous Dino, probably very late at night in the salon. So that's it for episode 2. If you've enjoyed this and found it helpful, I'd really appreciate you giving this video a like. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you want to see what's coming, hit that bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.